my pet, Sally. Mom, I'm hungry and I'm thirsty and I'm seasick. Just get a drink. I pick purple. Eat. Oh, look, the Coke. Mom. Yes. I'm hungry. Get the last starfish ice cream. Okay.
That's funny. This guy said, your birthday present's almost here. And she's like, what'd you get me? He said, it's almost here. I said, is it expensive? He said, oh yeah. Like 100? He gave her a thumbs up. 200? Kept going. 300? 500? He said, way more. You said, what got you behind the car? He said, it's here. And she runs over the window, and it's the truck filling up their propane tank. Way more expensive. Like, it's us.
Wait, birthday surprise?
Yeah, the guy was picking on his wife about a birthday present. He was getting propane so they could have heat and cook. And
Was he disappointed?
no, she laughed about it.
Oh. Dad, no more on Dad. Slam, home off there. Huh. You have to go hunt tonight. But here's our stuff. Don't throw it. You get this. You get this and I have. Whoa. I think I found the treasure laying behind.
I also saw an advertisement for a company that
There.
sells bath bombs.
I found it.
Shaped like little toasters.
Down here.
I want one.
No, guarding it.
Not allowed.
Wow. See, little sister? The treasure may be ours. Oh. Let's open it. Got the lock out. Pick the lock out. Now. Whoa.
Henry,
Nothing
you
but
hungry?
gems and donuts. Found the wand. Yes, Dad.
Those are egg-rolls.
Wait, what, Dad?
You want Mama's leftover Mexican food?
No.
No?
I'm talking about like a snack.
Well, it's dinner time. Mama will eat that tomorrow in the storms, I'm guessing. Do you want chicken strips and okra with gravy and mashed potatoes? But chicken strips, okra, and gravy.
Chicken strips, okra, and gravy. Yay, I got the wand. Hey, I found it, sister. Wait, since I found it, I'm gonna listen. Please, when I'm wrong.
Somebody heard all the rattling and came in.
I'm stupid anyway. Help me get a donut.
Is this going to be like a super long drawn out project?
Yeah.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
Don't not your favorite song.
Yeah.
Like all night tonight and tomorrow.
Yep.
Okay.
So,
Ma.
riding
It's
on.
over. We can spend a little family time before I go back to work tomorrow.
Let's squish. I call them on. Whoa. Let's hold the ride. Because there's no place to sit.
It's summertime anyway, so she's got to eat.
If you, except the
It'd be
tail.
nice to watch a movie or something.
Dad, can we watch the episodes I'm making?
I'm thinking about like a proper TV movie.
Not stuff that I spent hard on.
That's for you and Mom to watch when it's raining tomorrow. There's
Hey!
no good service.
Whoa, we're riding into the sunset.